You might have heard the term SPAC in financial news. Let's break down what these entities actually are and how they work. SPAC stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. It is essentially a company with no commercial operations that exists solely to raise capital. When you invest in a SPAC, you are betting on the management team's ability to find a private company to take public. The process moves from raising cash to finding a target, and finally completing a merger that brings that private firm onto the stock exchange. While a traditional IPO involves a long regulatory process, a SPAC provides a faster, though often riskier, shortcut to going public. Activity in the SPAC market has fluctuated significantly over the last few years, reflecting changing investor sentiment toward these speculative vehicles. Remember, you are investing in the people running the SPAC. Always do your own research on the eventual target company. SPACs are just one way companies go public. Keep learning and stay curious. Thanks for watching.